My husband pull my wig go, he no pull my wig. In as much as, thank God, I'm glad he had to bring back what happened. I'm happy. Because everybody say, now joy you, now you want to carry something wrong, no, blah blah blah, this and that. That day I came to the house, I make sure I checked. Because this girl just a waka like rats. Since this girl they waka like rats. And at the end of the day, I won't carry food though. I went straight to my husband's locker and I saw the documents. They are complete. 9. It was complete. The next thing I saw this girl with the documents. I asked her that question. I said, where you they carry this thing they go? Where? We almost, it's not even we almost, we quarreled that day. We quarreled. Now you won't come talk. You want to put all the blame for my mother-in-law. My sweet mother-in-law. My lovely mother-in-law. Oh, now you try to talk say my mother-in-law not on the thief, Abby. No, you're trying to say she was on that stole the remaining 2. The remaining 2 important file. Original document. You want to put the blame and say she's the one. Abby not me. Thank God though. Everybody, thank God you people say that I'm not a thief. I'm not the one. I have always want to secure my husband's stuff. Always want to. But this girl just the waka kunkere for this house. And after you come and say, I don't need the property. I don't need the property. Now me need them, Abby. No, I'm asking you. Now me need them. You don't need the property you've been shouting since. But you went behind to steal documents. You gave that woman 7 documents. 7 of it. And you took the remaining 2 important ones. The woman returned the way you gave her that 7. She returned it back. Now where is the remaining 2? You think say no go no? You think say no go no? Ah, this girl, I fear will not fear you. I fear will not fear you. So if you know, let's say for example now this woman enemy is not alive. This is how you will lie on her. Probably said you go talk so you give her all the own 9. So you try to talk to my mother-in-law. Eh? That woman will be saying a Christian, will be saying they pray. You're not saying she's the one. That ask Joy or you ask your mother-in-law. I was waiting now. No, I was waiting. He said he's defending me. He's not defending me. He knows what I can do and what I cannot do. He knows. He knows waiting. In short, he knows what I do. He knows the length I can go. Ever since he got married to you. One problem or the other. Nah, the rest way you want to do now to carry the document. Because you don't say you go buy. Now what do they think? You don't say you go buy. So the car you sold, the ring you sold, everything what you said, that will not do you. No, it not do you. Eh? All that thing where you steal now, that one where you carry, it not do you. You steal from there, you want still carry the document join because you still say this man enemy go buy. That is what you are thinking. That was your prayer all through. See? No, that is what you want. Eh? Is that what you want? You want to wreck this guy. Till the last, they'll come say, hey, na devil, yes, so they don't catch him. Na devil. Meanwhile, you are the cockroach in his cupboard. The cockroach, which cockroach? Never they say. Now you be the rats. Where they steal documents. So that your member told you to carry the document and go and hide it. So at the end of the day, we'll say, yes, so God, he don't catch you. He don't do this. He said they should go and ask. Now, how this woman go to see you now? Look you. Because if they try talk, say the woman now, no she. Now, what if they try talk? You they try talk, say now she be the only she. Not be so. Do they call my own mother-in-law Onyoshi? You see, say your respect, you know, you don't lose nonsense. You don't even get respect right from when they born you. You won't come they talk, they compare me and you. I resemble who they fight for property. No, I resemble you who they fight for. Even if you do koto, you don't do koto. Me resemble you who they fight for property. where I go can't look for everything I want to do for this life. I will call a document I won't go see. You see, say your life don't run. You don't see. Yeah, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed. I not blame you. I not blame you. I not smell blame for where you did. I not blame you because you feel you have the right, you have the authority. That is what gave you that morale to do whatever you want to do. To do whatever you want to do. Deep down, you don't demand this person enemy. Deep down. Because if you're not going to be dragging or looking for his document to steal. Somebody in the hospital. The next way you go to, the thing they bite you for there. Since where we don't do this house, won't be there that thing there. If I wanted to take it, I could have done that since. If I wanted to take it, I could have done the since. But I really don't want to take it because one, it's none of my business. And it's his property that is trying to, you know, he held that property with all his life. And you know he held that property with all his life. The next thing you could do was make sure that this guy enemy was paralyzed. He was at the hospital. The next thing you could do is go straight to the house, check his locker, take out the document. Why? For what reason? No, now carry mic, they explain. For what reason? Chebi, you sabi explain. Carry mic, they explain, because we want to know, why do you take it? You took 9. Why do you remove 2 and gave the mother 7? Where is the remaining 2? Answer me now. Where is the remaining 2? For your mind, it is say you get brain. You don't know a fish brain you get. Okpolo. No day. Single. And they compare me and you. For this house we did since. Before you see anything like where they say, oh, joy, oh, I know they cause trouble. Himself, no. You think, oh, he's defending me? He knows what I can do and what I cannot do. If I was not take it, I'll tell you, even upon every upon say that still catch you saying that you take her, you still a lie. Why? You still a lie. You leave everything and you can't accuse my own mother-in-law. Omalicha, Nemoma. The strong Christian woman. You try to I person born Peking, they go, they wish you Peking bad. I never see. Now you also your mama, they wish you bad. Because if not so, please and please take it away from my mother-in-law, because she's not like that. If not so your own mama be, my mother-in-law is not like that. She know if you born Peking, they wish you Peking bad. What did she want his document do? No, what did she want use and do? Then you will come and start, one, you they lie, two, you they pretend, everything in your body. Everything in your body. Everything. I wonder how far you go with this your lie. Oh. I wonder how far. Release the documents. You they tell me, say me. How far my own picking? Shebi they say, how far your own picking? No, before person go they talk. God say, even if you want to remove something for your eye, remove for a person, I remove for your own eyes first. How far you where they talk? You and your witch mama. Una chop your own picking finish. You don't say witch, no they pity anybody. Even if now you go chop you, dry you. You chop your own picking finish. You can't leave say they don't they hungry. They know see now they won't call carry my own picking chopper. You dey ask me my own picking. You feel they compare me and you. I resemble person they give where in S they knack. Huh? I resemble where in S they knack. Answer. Your S knack you finish, knack you belly. After the baby, where is it? Because I see the final. I never see. Where your picking day? You don't even have sense. You don't even have sense. You don't even know what to say. You don't just know what to say. They talk left, they talk right. They don't talk right, they talk left. You never know where your direction face. You never know. You are just lost in thought. You're just lost. Shebi, you say you don't need the property. What did they do for this house? We don't even know. You came to steal. Onyoshi Kibu. Onyoshi. Big one. I pity you, not pity yourself. I pity you. I pity you. For your mind, I don't carry out 2 documents. They do buga. Don't worry. Time go tell. You go release them. Now me they tell you. Rubbish.